Hello everyone and welcome to the session on downloading the question paper that is already posted in your classroom. We have already created the question paper in the form of Google form and posted it into the classroom. Now in this video we are going to learn how to download the question paper and how to save it as a PDF file for the future reference. So now let's see the practical demonstration that how you will save it into the PDF format. So first of all, open your Google Classroom from where you want to download the question paper. Now in this Google Classroom, you can see the upcoming and here is the option View All. So just click on this option View All. Now this will display all the list of assignments and the tests that you have given to the students. Now see the question paper that you want to download. Suppose here you can see the first pre-board exam paper is there. Again, this is the half yearly papers. Now suppose I want to download the periodic test 1 paper. So here's the periodic test 1 paper. So just click on it and you can see the periodic test 1 set A. This is the name which will reflect in the Google Classroom and the form is periodic test September 2020 class 12th IP. So this is the form that I have to search into this Google Drive of this classroom. So let's move to the Google Drive of this classroom. For that, click on this classroom, go to the classwork. Here comes the class drive folder and here you have to search periodic test. Okay, and here you will find out all the files related to the periodic test. Now this is the form periodic test September 1, clear? So now this is the form that we were searching for, periodic test September 1. Just open it and check. Yes, it is periodic test September 2020. So this is the form and I have given the question paper using this Google form. Now I want to download it as a PDF file. Now you can see I have the MCQs in this question paper. Similarly, you can see I have the short answer questions where the student can also write down the answer, short answer text, clear? Also, I have given the long answer questions in this paper. Okay, the last section is long answer question in which the students have attached the files also. So now I want to save this question paper as a PDF file. So for that, what you have to do is, you can see here the send button. Near the send button, you can find 3 dots. That is the more option. Clear? This is the more option. So just click on this more option. Here you will find out the print button. So just click on this print option. And here comes the printing options, various printing options. Now here the destination is save as PDF. Yes, you have to take it as PDF only. Clear? You can select the portrait as well as the landscape, but better to keep it portrait. Just click save. So now this form will be saved. Clear? You can rename it as per your choice. So I'm taking it as it is. Select the destination where you want to store it. Clear? So I'm taking its D drive and save it. So now your form is saved. Your question paper is saved in the PDF file. So in this way you can save the form in the PDF file. Now just recall quickly what we have to do is, first of all we have to open the Google Classroom. After that, open the Google form that we want to download. Next is you have to click on the 3 dots near the send button. After that, you have to select the print option and you have to save as a PDF on your devices. That's it, and you can download the question paper and save it on your systems. Thank you and have a nice day.